डिस्ट्रेस, ये आपका डिस्ट्रेस प्रायोरिटी रहेगा। तो क्या फैसिलिटी बढ़ा था आपको? प्री एम्प्ट फैसिलिटी। प्री एम्प्ट फैसिलिटी क्या मालूम बताया था? व्हेन द सोर्स स्टेशन आरसीसी इज बिजी विद द लोअर प्रायोरिटी मैसेज, ही विल ऑलवेज अटेंड द हाईएस्ट प्रायोरिटी मैसेज। दैट फैसिलिटी इज कॉल्ड प्री एम्प्ट फैसिलिटी। ओके, अच्छा, फॉर डिस्ट्रेस, इफ यू डू नॉट कैंसिल द डिस्ट्रेस, you will not be able to go to any other operation if you want to. Okay, likewise RCC also will be engaged with you for the entire duration if you do not cancel the distress. ठीक है, तो urgency and safety both you can send by voice or by written message, whereas distress only by voice message. Okay, तो डिस्ट्रेस का फर्स्ट प्रोसीड्यूर क्या है? इफ यू वांट टू सेंड द अनडेजिग्नेटेड वन, just press the distress button for 3 seconds. The call will be connected to RCC, and thereafter if you want you can change the nature of distress by
soft key.
Okay, here the RCC will be default one. Okay, you do not have the any jurisdiction. The equipment, whatever equipment will choose the RCC, that RCC will take. Okay, and another one is designated with designated RCC. Then you have to go to menu first, then select the RCC from automatic to manual करो उसको, and then select the RCC from the list, then select nature of distress from the list and select the correct one, then press the distress button. Do not forget to press the distress button for 3 seconds. Then the distress, this designated distress alert will go, RCC will be connected to the RCC will be connected, and you can talk, you can pass the message by voice message. Okay, and when you are finished with the distress, cancel the distress message. Okay, no need to send separate message, only just pressing a button the cancellation message will go. Okay, now for urgency and safety messages, voice call and message both facility are there, and it will go by 2-digit special access codes. What all codes are permitted in Iridium system? Anybody?
39. What's it?
What all 2-digit codes are accepted by Iridium? 32, 38, 39 and 42. आप लोग वीडियो करने में व्यस्त है, पढ़ाई में मन नहीं है. ओके, एंड SATC क्या क्या 2-digit कोड एक्सेस करता है?
32, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43.
So 41 and 43 will not be accessible by Iridium. Only 4 2-digit code are accessible by Iridium. अच्छा, for making the urgency or safety voice call, there are 3 ways. Suppose you want medical advice, what code you will use?
32.
So dial 32 from the keypad. This keyboard is not operational, so 3, 2 and press the green button. Now medical advice,
Urgency.
your RCC is connected, pass the medical advice message. When you finished, click on red button. Easiest one. Achha, suppose you want to pass a navigational hazard message. What is the code?
40.
Here easiest way is 4, 2 and dial. Okay, here the message is going to the default RCC. जो RCC आपको सिलेक्ट करेगा इक्विपमेंट, उसी से जाएगा वो। आपसे RCC किधर है आपको जरूरत नहीं है देखने का. ठीक है, योर मैसेज विल बी पास एंड दिस मैसेज विल गो टू होम respective nav area coordinator. When you finished passing the message by voice message, then click on it, disconnect it. Okay, this is the first way. Second one, you have to send by using the designated RCC. Okay, so anything designated, you have to go to menu, go to menu button, then come to safety contacts, highlight it, and as these buttons are not activated, press enter. Okay, now the RCC list has come. Suppose I want to send with Farham UK RCC. So here highlight it, do not press enter or anything, and here safety call press. Then if you want safety 42, then safety, otherwise 32, 38 and 39 all comes under urgency. Okay, then select one, then देखो RCC Farham is selected and urgency message is going. Okay, these are all phone calls, so no printout will come. Okay, remember it. When you finish this, once again I am telling you how to send to designated RCC by using designated code. तो मेन्यू में जाओ, देन सेफ्टी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, ये याद रखना पॉइंट, देन प्रेस एंटर, देन फ्रॉम द लिस्ट सपोज आई वांट टू सेंड इट थ्रू ऑस्ट्रेलिया. Okay, I highlighted Australia. Here I am not calling by safety call. I want to see the 2 digits code which you have to follow in examination. So instead of safety call, you click on show next. Okay, now the 4 2 digits code will be available. Suppose you want medical assistance, so highlight this 32 and make safety call and urgency. This medical assistance call, it will show. Okay, examiner will see this, and till he says this, do not disconnect it because इसका प्रिंट आउट नहीं रहेगा. आप उसको डिस्कनेक्ट कर देंगे तो आप उसको दिखा नहीं पाएंगे. फॉर वॉइस कॉल ओनली. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, तो 3 प्रोसीड्यूर्स में क्या है, एक 2 डिजिट्स कोड डायल करके इधर से आप कर सकते हैं, अनदर वन फ्रॉम सेफ्टी कॉल इधर से कर सकता है टू डिफॉल्ट आरसीसी, अनदर वन फ्रॉम मेनू designated RCC and designated 2 digits code. There are two ways. Okay, ये वाला कर वॉइस कॉल